Hello, Unique Divas. Hope you are doing great. It's your girl Unique Nelo. Alright, for today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how I got this hand fan. Yes, it was one of the works I did during the season. I decided to share it on this platform. I told you anything you know you can do with your hands that is good. Create it, okay? And make sales with it. So let's move straight to the tutorial. So guys, for this design, I used carton. I used Indomie carton to get this design, and this is the cover of my pot. Hey, in DIY, anything that is usable, use it. Improvise. So I said, let me measure out the circumference of this pot in case you don't have this size. So you can create it. This is 11 inches, okay? So the circumference I use is 11 inches. You can watch this video to learn how I use paper to get the circumference for this one. So you can use your cardboard paper to get a circumference, then place on your carton and cut out 11 inches. I don't know if you get it. So this is after trimming it out. So I marked 1.5 inches. You can see it's 1.5. So I cut out 1.5 from this point. Then this is my plate. And I later took the measurement of this plate, the circumference, and it was 6.5 inches. So mark from that top to where I just marked 5 inches. Place your plate at the center and just give it a curve, you understand, curvy shape. Remember I told you it's 6.5 inches. That's what I got in the plate. Then from this point you mark 1 inch and 1.5 inches. You understand what I'm doing, okay? Then place the plate at the center again and curve it. Then do same thing here. Guys, this Handfan design, you can learn it and continue to make sales with it. All right, so I'll be cutting this part out with my razor blade. And while doing this, you have to be careful so you don't cut your hand and acquire injury. So I just traced it out this way and make sure I give it a deep cut so I'll be able to pull it out. So you can see how it looks. So whatever you'll be doing on this design, you'll be doing it on the other carton. I used 2 carton. Don't know if you understand me. I cut out 2 carton, okay? 2 pieces. Then placed on top like this. Then later you trim off the excess part from the edge if you notice that it's not equal very well. Then mark this part again just this way. Then cut out with your razor the same way you did before. And this is the outcome. Alright, so guys, next thing I'll be doing is to glue this together. Please, if this is your first time of coming across my channel, I'm Unique Nelo. In fact, I'm into DIY, but mostly I do teach people about headgears. I'm a headgear specialist, a fashion designer, and I also teach about businesses, okay? Anything I see useful that will help women, even men, that will help them to earn more income, I teach it on this platform. So don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel. Stay with the Unique family and you will enjoy and learn more. Alright, what I'm holding is called fiber. So this is fiber. If you're into headgear, turban making, you know what this is. I got it from people that make cushion. Yes, this normal parlor chair. That's where I got it from. So you can buy your fiber from the market. I heard that people that sell millinery things, people that sell fascinator materials, they sell it as well. So you can buy it. You can see the way I'm placing it here. The reason why I'm doing this is to make this handle part. You know that part I'm covering is the handle. I'm trying to make it to be soft so that when the person hold that side, it will be very soft. So I'll be using my sellotape to hold it down, and I'll just be cutting out small pieces and I'll wrap it round. This part is quite difficult, but take it easy, you will be able to get it. I was finding it difficult sincerely. It was not really easy to use what's it called, sellotape to hold the fiber, but just cut out in pieces. Then that part you stopped, placed on top of it and wrap around again. I stopped here, so I placed on top of this place and I'll wrap around. You understand? So wherever you stop, just cut your sellotape, placed on top of that spot you stopped, then you wrap around. So this is what I did until I wrapped this whole fiber on top of the carton, okay? So I did everything and I covered it up, and you can see the way it looks. So I wrapped everything round, even on top of this part, I wrapped it round. All right, so next thing I'll be doing now is to cover up this carton with this cloth fabric. This is yori material, just a piece of fabric that was remaining. The client side should make gold hand fan, bridal hand fan. I did sea green for her two daughters. She saw it and said that she loves this, so I decided to do hers, which is gold color. So what next thing we'll be doing is to trim off the excess part of this fabric, okay, just the way I'm doing on the screen, but try to leave some parts, like give allowance, then use your candle gum to gum it down, just the way I'm doing. So all these excess parts, gum it down. So I'm done doing it, and I'll be cutting out this center. So I will wrap the handle part, understand? So I'll be using my scissors to just cut it, so I'll be able to wrap it around this carton. Don't know if you get me. So I'll be using my candle gum as usual to hold it to the carton. All right, so this is the outcome after wrapping everything down, and I'll be placing this same piece on top like this. I'll rub my candle gum and cover it up. So the same thing I did on the other side, I'll be doing it here. Adjust. After adjusting, you cut out the excess part, then use your candle gum to hold the edges and cut out the center part of the handle and do your finishing there. Guys, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. And if you watch my video and find them useful, don't hesitate to like my video. Support your girl, okay? All right, next thing I'll be doing is to mark down. The reason why I'm doing this is just to show you how you wrap it. So the first mark I gave was 1 inch, and I later gave 1.5. I gave first 1 inch, then 1.5. I don't know if you get me. So what I'm marking here now is 1.5, 1 inch. First one was 1 inch, second one 1.5. So here now is 1.5, then here is 1 inch. So take note of all these things, okay? So you continue to mark it. So I will start increasing it here. Now I'll increase it, okay? So from this arc, you're now going to mark 2 inches, 2 inches, no more 1.5, 2 inches. Then you now mark 1 inch, 1 inch, okay? So I don't know if you understand me. If you get confused, please repeat this part so you'll be able to get what I just did. So you continue to mark the 2 inches and 1 inch round, okay? So that's what you continue to do till you get to that tiny side again, which you reduce. So I'll mark 2 inches, then 1 inch, 2 inches, 1 inch. Then when you get to this side again, you start reducing it. You still get 2 inches, then 1 inch here. Then from this side, it will start reducing again. That same thing you did on the other side, which is 1.5 and 1 inch. You will mark it here, so reduce it to 1.5 inches. You can see it, 1.5. Reduce it because this side is tiny. Then 1 inch. Please, if you don't understand this, repeat this point. Repeat it so you will get it, okay? So you do 1.5, understand? You do 1.5 and 1 inch. Just the same way you did on the other side. So this is how I did the marking, and I did this side round and also did the same thing at the back side. So I'll be placing my feathers, okay? I use 1.5 pack, 1 full feathers and half of it. That was what I got for this project. So you'll be wrapping it around this way. If you have watched my previous video on how I got the other bridal hand fan, this will be easy for you. Yes, so you rub your candle gum on that first line. This is the first line. You know, hand fan has the flat, this is the flat surface. And if you turn it this way, this is the back part that is not flat. So for this first line, if you want to place it, use this soft surface that is lying flat. Then place and drag. I taught you how to do this in the other video. So if you are confused, go and watch the other video. It will be simple for you, okay? I made mistake. I started rubbing on the second line, and I had to clean it off immediately. So concentrate on the first part first. Then drag. If you don't drag, 1.5 feathers will not be enough for you. That's why I said you should go and watch the other tutorial on how to make the other bridal hand fan. It will give you edge on how to get this design easy. So you drag, please drag. While dragging, it will make your feathers to be enough. I even used one, and this is the half of it, and you can see what I cut out. It even remained after working. It just remains some piece, okay? So I would advise you go and watch the other video, so you're going to learn it, how to manage your feathers. So I had to trim off this edge and make it to be flat. I noticed that this point was open, so I just cut out small piece of feathers and covered it up. It is still allowed. We notice that your feathers didn't close very well. Just cut out some piece and cover it up so you can see the way it looks. So let us wrap the back side the same method. You understand? Make sure you use the flat surface of the feathers, not the back side that is flying up and down. That part that if you place it downward, it will be smooth. So I'll wrap this line up again and cut out the excess part, okay? Guys, if you have reached this level and you've not liked this video, if you've not given it a thumbs up, you're not supporting me, please kindly give this video a thumbs up and give me a subscription. Subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask. So on this second line now, I'll be using this rough part. You understand? On this second line, I'll be using the rough part of the feathers, not the smooth part again. That part that is flying up, that is what I use in covering this second line. And this is the outcome. So next I'll be using is to use this applique to cover it up. I call it crown applique because the applique looks like crown. So you're going to rub it this way and wrap off the edge of your feathers, okay? So guys, continue watching and you understand it. Please, if you have any question, write it on the comment section. I also have a WhatsApp group. I forgot to announce this. I have a WhatsApp group where we have different sewmates. I have over 900 sewmates there. Kindly join it. The link is on the description button. Sorry, it's on the description box, not on the description button. The link is on the description box. Click on that link to join. But if you're unable to join, chat me up on this number. You can see this number on the screen. Chat me up and I'll send the link to you so you will join, okay? So guys, continue to watch and you will see how I wrapped up the remaining part of the fan. Alright guys, so you can see the fan is almost ready, but I omitted something. Gosh, this is called what's it even called again? Tassel. Yes, we call this tassel. I forgot to attach this tassel before covering everything up. Please don't do this mistake. I committed here. I forgot to attach my tassel. So the time you're supposed to put your tassel is you place your tassel before wrapping this part up. So definitely there must be a way. So what I did was I just opened up that part small. I really take it easy so I didn't mess up my work. So I just placed it this way and cover it up and you can see the way it is. So what I did here, I did on the other side because I attached tassel. When I did her children on the two daughters, when I did their work, I attached tassel. So I forgot to do hers. So place it this way and finally this was the outcome. So we're almost through, guys. This is applique. I got this applique, 6 pieces of it, and I use my scissors to trim it out, as in cut it into pieces, okay? And I used my candle gum to place it on top of this hand fan. Guys, if you love what you are seeing and you've not liked this video, don't know what I did to you, support your girl now. Let me move to the permanent site. Move me. And you can also comment. You know that God bless you. You put normally write on your comments. God is really blessing me. I need that prayers. Even if it's thank you, ma, I need it. So don't hesitate to write your comments. Don't hesitate to ask your questions. Please give this video a thumbs up, okay? All right, so I got this mirror design, and this is where creativity comes up. Place it the way you want. You mustn't do what I did. I always say this: create your own design. If you want to recreate mine, it's still okay. Oh. So after placing this mirror all over the fan on the part I want, there was this small nylon that covered the mirror. I removed the nylon and it started blinking. It was blinking. So guys, I rubbed it round and you can see the way it looks. Wow, you can see the mirroring. It was really mirroring. So guys, if you have reached to this level, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. Hope to see you guys in my next video. I love you all. See you next time. Bye.